Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these pretty pencil pouches with you guys. So let's get started. I'm going to first unbox the yellow one and talk about the pencil pouches as I unbox. So these pencil pouches have a double compartment, which is easy to store multiple things as well, such as stationaries. You can also use this for a cosmetic bag, and it also has pretty lettering Another Day of Sunshine on all 4 of the pencil pouches, and an easy to carry handle. They also have pretty white stripes, and this cloth is very really nice and soft as well, and it's also washable. So here is the inside of the bag. There's that one. And without these packagings inside, it's still very puffy. Also, here goes the pink one. And the thing I really like is that stitching. It looks very stylish and pretty. Here's the green one. And these can be used for multiple uses, for not only for makeup bags, you can also use it as a coin purse, and you can also use it at home or office or school, wherever you want. And here's the last pencil case, the gray one. And these are actually really durable, and they're also lightweight, and they can easily fit in your backpack or your handbag, wherever you want to carry them. So now I'm just going to fill my pencil cases up, and I'm just going to use the pink one for now and save the rest for later because I don't really need them. So first off, I'm going to fill with these pretty gel pens. And these gel pens can easily fit right in there. Boop. Some markers, and these markers are Crayola Super Tips and they're really long. So let's see if they fit. And they do. So I'm going to put all markers in one section and gel pens and my pencils in one section. Now I'm going to start off with pencils. Put them in the marker compartment there, and my pens. So that's all I'm gonna fill in here. Maybe in the future I'll add more things. Hope you guys liked the video. Please make sure to comment, like, share, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!